To add a fingerprint on your Redmi 14C and use this convenient feature for quick unlocking, follow these detailed instructions. Let's start by opening the settings on your smartphone. Then find and select the section Fingerprint, Face Data and Screen Lock. After that, select Fingerprint Unlock. You will be asked to enter screen lock for security. Use a pattern, a PIN code or a password. I am choosing a pattern. Just remember it carefully. So I am drawing it 2 times in a row and confirm it. Now it's time to scan the finger. Place your finger on the sensor on the right where the button is. Gently apply your finger and turn it so that each part is on the scanner. It may seem boring, but you will be sure to get all the details of the fingerprint. Please note that the process may take 1 or 2 minutes, depending on accuracy and speed. Keep a calm pace and watch the animation on the screen. It will show progress. So let's keep doing it. Great, so once the scan is complete, you will have the option to set a name for the print. Just push down. Here you can put the name for the fingerprint, and also you can add other fingers if necessary. Now it's ready. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and enjoy.